Cabo Adventures Sunset Cruise. This sunset cruise can be booked directly from Cabo Adventures in the marina at Cabo, or you can book the excursion directly through your hotel's concierge. Once you arrive to the marina, they quickly escort you to your boat. Before boarding, they give you a quick safety tour. They show you how to board properly and how to not get hurt on anything. As soon as the boat starts moving, you're offered a refreshment. As you gently glide away from the marina, you get to wave at people passing by. Everybody's got smiles. It's so much fun. It's cool to see a different perspective of the marina as you drift off and away from it. One thing you need to be prepared to say is wow. Lots of wows in Cabo. As the sailing music plays, Mexican sea hit, you sail along and you get to see the beach and all the beautiful rocks and other boats that are out there. Just before sunset is one of my favorite times of the evening, the golden hour when the sun goes sideways and plays on all the shadows and crevices of the rocks. The weather's perfect, but be sure to travel with an extra sweater in case it gets breezy. They do have blankets aboard just in case you need one. The crew will entertain you, telling you all about these gorgeous rocks and stories and the names for them. It's a delight. As you sail out further, you get to see the formations change and get even more dramatic. And the light that I love, it changes and the shadows play along the rocks. This is the Lover's Beach. The Lover's Beach is on the inside of the Sea of Cortez, and the waves are very gentle and soft. Naming it Lover's Beach was because of the peaceful, calm nature of this beach. As you get towards the end of the beautiful rock formations, you get to see the arches. They will take the boat and they'll maneuver it in and out so you can get a better look, a closer look at these beautiful rock formations. It's really worth it. The crew will graciously offer to take your picture whenever you want. They have a photographer on board. We like to take our own selfies, and I was having fun videoing this. The sun peeking around the corner of the rocks as we turned around and became on the Pacific side of the rocks. The Pacific side of the Baja Peninsula, the water is a lot more choppier and the waves are a little more full of motion. It's not recommended at all to swim because the tides can pull you out to the ocean. As you sail around the Baja Peninsula, you'll come to the Divorce Beach, where the waves are rough and tumbling and angry, threatening to take you out to sea. If you were so bold as to try to swim on this side of the peninsula, that's why it was called Divorce Beach. After viewing the beautiful views of the beaches, you get some more drinks, and then it's off to going and seeing the deeper waters along the shorelines of Cabo San Lucas. As you head out to look at the shorelines and the deeper water, you get to see the cruise ships. I really love that the sailboat turns around a few times so that you can see different angles and see all sides. Everybody gets a chance. Another amazing thing is that the boats communicate with themselves and let you know if they see a whale or any other cool wildlife while you're out there. We were able to see an elephant seal, and we also got to see a whale, manta rays. We saw so many wildlife animals. It was incredible. This particular sailing cruise I will take over and over again every time I come to visit Cabo.